welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing how I style my hair, 3 ways I style my braids. I did do these braids myself. If you haven't seen the video, I will link that below. But yeah, this is the xpression pre-stretched hair in 52 inches. um I did braid it myself, as I said. So typically, I keep things very simple in my day to day. Um, I will probably wear it this way majority of the time, just pull back out of my face. Here's another way I do style this hair for work. I would just put it up in a high ponytail with some strong rubber band or hair tie. Just an everyday look ponytail, nothing extra. I do like the keep the hair out of my face, so you will see me wearing my hair up a lot or pull back. Yeah, I really do like how this came out. If you haven't seen the video, it will be linked below. I will also include all of the details of the hair that I use. This is the xpression pre-stretched hair, 52 inches in color 1B. And here is the final look that I have today. I just have these pinned up in a bun. I really like how these turn out. Just using some regular hairpin to pin that in and keep it in place. With some red lipstick, this is a little more glammed up for date night, or just hanging with your girls, or taking yourself out on a date. Why not? Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel, so I will appreciate you helping me out by liking, commenting, subscribing. Let me know what you think of this style. I am feeling myself, as you can see. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.